Okay, everyone, good evening. Hi, Bondu with Amorama.
Good evening, sir.
Good
Good evening,
evening,
Ka.
sir.
Good evening. Good evening. Right. Uh, we have a few things about the previous lessons. That's the indices, right? Therefore, today we are going to discuss there's other parts in the previous lesson, right? Everyone, put the date. Today is the 8th of the March and write the subheading in the previous lesson, lesson number, right? Powers with an algebraic symbol as the base. We are going to discuss about the algebraic expressions, algebraic terms, right? Powers with an algebraic symbol as a base. Powers with an algebraic symbols as the base. As the base. Algebraic symbols. Hurry up, write the topic. We have to move to another lesson. Therefore, hurry up. Right. Now look at this. Now look at the board. We call as a A. A is a base. Now A to the power of M, like this, right? How to read this one? And you know how to read this. A to the power of M. A to the power of M. And A is we call as a base, as well as a M we called as a indices, index, right? Index. And this is a formal way to represent the indices. Make a matakai, right? Now, now look at the screen. M to the power of n multiplied by the n to the power of 2, right? Which is also equals to the n to the power of 2 multiplied by the m to the power of 2. Can be expressed as m3 n3. That's the m to the power of 3 and the n to the power of 3. Now look at the board. Now look at the board. This is example. No? M to the power of 3 multiplied by n to the power of 2. Now this one we called as a algebraic term with symbol with the powers. This is indices. M to the power of 3 and multiplied by the n to the power of 3 is also equals to the n to the power of 2 multiplied by m to the power of 3. And we know that. Because why? 2 times 3, 6. 3 times 2 is also 6. The both are equals or not? Both are equals. Both are equals. 2 times 5, 10. And 5 times 2, 10. Both are equals. Therefore, in indices lesson, m to the power of 3 into the n to the power of 2, we can call as a n to the power of 2 and the m to the power of 3. Right? As well as when two powers are connected with a multiplication sign. With two powers are connected by the multiplication sign, if the bases of the both powers are not numerical values. Bases of both are not in the numerical values. Numerical can numbers, values name, right? Then it is not necessary to include the multiplication sign, right? එහෙනම් මෙන්න වඩ වැඩි. අපිට මේක multiplication sign එක නැතුව ලියන්නත් පුළුවන්. Look at this. N to the power of 2 and without multiplication sign m to the power of 3 or m to the power of 3 into n to the power of 2, right? We can write these things, right? Make a major ඕන දේ ලියන්න පුළුවන්, right? Now understood, right? Look at this. Look at this example. A to the power of 3 multiplied by b to the power of 5. Now look at this. Without multiplication sign, we can write as a to the power of 3 and b to the power of 5. So easy. So easy. Now you got it, everyone? Hamana තේරෙනවද ඒක?
Yes,
Marale
sir.
sini. Yes, a to the
Yes.
power of 3, b to the power of 5. We can write as a without multiplication sign. Right? It's not necessary to represent. Right. Everyone, hamoma, pute. Board එක note එක හැමෝම දාගමු screen එකේ. Hurry up.
Sir, the definition.
What?
Sir, do you mean the definition?
Yeah, this is the definition, and this is a formal way to represent the indices with numerical without numerical values as a basis, and bases represent as the symbols of the algebraic terms a, b, p, q, m, n, like that, right? Now you can write the screen notice, right? Hurry up. Ikmadalimu, hurry up. Within 1 minute, single. Hurry up. Ikmadalimu there. You need
Done.
to hurry. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, done. Very good. Right. Now look at the example number 1. Write down each of the following expression using the index notation. Now look at the example number 1. X multiply by x multiply by x multiply by x, and this is a very easy. Now how many x terms there are? 1, 2, 3, 4. Now what is the answer? X to the power of 4. Easy. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now look at the second example. A multiply by A multiply by A. Now tell me, what is the answer? Kim Bala?
A to the power 3.
Very good, boy. A to the power of 3. A to the power of 3. Now look at the last one. There are two different symbols like M and N, right? Look at this. Look at that. M multiply by M multiply by M, as well as N times N. Now look at that. Now look at that. This one's very important. How many M terms? 1, 2, 3. M to the power of 3. And look at that. N to the power of 3. Now we can write as like this. Everyone, how about the other? Yeah?
Yes, sir.
Yes. This is a very easy thing. Right. Write these examples with questions. Look at the screen. It has there's a display in the question in the screen. This is example number 1. And this is the answer. And find the answer for the fourth one. It's yourself, huh? තනියම හොයමු. There are 2 questions. Find the answer for that questions.
Done.
Very good, Kandu. Very good. Right. Now we are going to discuss. Look at the question number 4. A multiply by A multiply by B into B into B. What is the answer? Prabhashwara?
A to the power of 2, B to the power of 3.
Very good. A to the power of 2 and B to the power of 3 without multiplication sign we can write as a answer like this. And the next one. Manuka, what is the answer for the 5th one?
2 to the power of 3, x to the
Uh-huh.
power of 2 times y to the power of 1.
Y to the power of 1 is not needed to put the 1, right? 1 එක දාන්න ඕනෙම නැහැ, right? This is the answer. Very good, huh? Nehmai. Both are great. Nehmai. Well done. Right. Now, I'm going to the next one. This is a reversal thing about this one. What is a reversal thing about that? X to the power of 4. Now you can write as an expression as a product. What is the meaning of the x to the power of 4? X into x into x into x. That's the reversal thing about that, right? Right hand side to left hand side. Now look at the example number 1. Expand and write each of the following expression as a product, right? Now, what is the question number 1? Question number 1 is a to the power of 2. A to the power of 2. And how to write? A multiplied by A. This one is very easy. It's like expanding, right? Number 2. 2p square. We call as a 2p to the power of 2. Now, tell me what is the meaning of that? 2 multiplied by p again multiplied by p. There are two p's here because why? P to the power of 2 is here. Now, everyone, understood this one? This was very easy. Now look at the third example. 2 to the power of 3, m to the power of 2. Now, how can we write as a product?
2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2
into 2
multiplied by m multiplied by m.
Very good, Prabhashar. Very good. 2 into 2 into 2 into m, right? Right. Now, write these two things, so three things, and find the answer for the fourth one and the fifth one. Hurry up. Very easy. Very easy.
Done.
Okay, sir.
Right. What is the answer? What is the answer for the fourth one? 3 to the power of 2, x to the power of 3, easy.
3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by x multiplied by x multiplied by x.
Very good. Very good. And Gloria Jensen. Gloria, but Turn on your mic and you find, tell me the answer for the last one, Gloria.
X multiplied by X multiplied by X multiplied by Y multiplied by Y multiplied by Y.
Very good girl. Very good girl. Right? And this one is very easy. This one is very, very easy. Right? Marvelous. Right. Now we are going to the substitution. Api sinhalen nan kinawa adeshaya kiyala. Right. Find the value of the power of the substitution. Write the topic. We are going to next start. Find the value of a power by substitution. Substitution. Right. Now look at the example. Find the value of each of the following expressions when a becomes 3. Now look at a equals 3. Then අපිට කියනවා a equals 3 as well as b equals 5. b equals 5. Now we have to find the value. Look at the example number 1. A to the power of 2 and b. Now tell me, we have to write as a product between that numbers, a to the power of 2 into b. That's the meaning of that. And we know what is the meaning of that? A multiplied by b. Now listen, everyone listen. What is the value of the a? The question said a becomes 3. එහෙනම් පුතේ පවම් කරන්න දැන්. Now we are going to substitute 3 into the A as well as substitute 5 into the B. A වෙනුවට 3 දානවා, B වෙනුවට 5 දානවා. Now let's do it. Look at that. A becomes 3 into A becomes 3 and here's a B becomes 5. Oh, now we have to multiply. How about the multiplication table? Look at this. 3 times 3. What is the answer? 9. And 9 times 5.
45.
45. And this is the value for the first question. Right? Understood? Yes. Right. Now look at the second one. Now look at the second one. 2a to the power of 3 and b to the power of 2. Now listen. Now listen. Now listen. What is the definition of that? 2 times a into a into a into b into b. Now listen. Now listen. Here is a 2. Put the 2 here. Multiply by a. A becomes 3. 3 into 3 into 3. And this is a b, you know. This is a b. But b is a 5. And put the 5 here. Simple. Now we are going to multiply. Oh, 2 times 3, 6. 6 times 3, 18. 18 times 3, oh, 54. 54 times 5 and multiply by 5. Can you multiply like that? You need to multiply like that, right? 2 times 3, 6 times 3, 18 times 3, 54 times 5. And you need to again multiply by the 5. Right. Now, find the answer for this one. Right. Hurry up.
What is 2 2 2 1 2 2 3 1 3 3 12 2 1 2 2 2 4
Find the answer for this one.
Okay, sir.
Okay, right. Now, what is the answer for the final one? What is the answer?
1350.
1350, right. Now, let's check. 2 times 3, 6. 6 times 3, 18. 18 times 3 is 54. Now, 54 we need to multiply by the 25. 54 multiplied by the 25, and you know how to multiply the two-digit number by the two-digit number. Firstly, we have to find the value for a y. Sorry, 5. 5 times 4, 20, 2 remainders, and 27. 2 times 4, 8, but you need to put 8 inside here. You just skip the place and put the 0 and write the answer for here. And 2 times 5, 10. Now answer becomes 0. 7, 8 is a 15. 1 remainder, 1350. Yes, your answer is correct. This is the answer. This is the answer. 1350. Right. This is the end of the lesson. Right. I think this one is very easy. හැමෝම තේරුණාද පුතේ මේක? thumbs up එකක් දෙමු හැමෝම. තේරුණා නම්? lesson එක? නියමයි? Good. සුබ. Right. Now we are going to the next lesson relevant to our textbook. It becomes as a time, right? Wait, I want to separate my video.